Hello, so driving tests are available to book again. I've got this email from the DVSA, which I'll put a link to in the description. So let's get straight into it and look at what it says about booking driving tests. So it says, we recently told you that we contact critical workers and practical car test candidates in England whose tests were put on hold due to coronavirus and asked them to choose a new date and time. And it says they'll send out emails today, the 15th of July, to critical workers in England, Scotland and Wales who had a test booked during lockdown, and from tomorrow, the 16th of July, to candidates in England whose practical car test was put on hold due to lockdown. Both emails will include a link to book a new test date, and as the candidate booking system remains closed, so the booking system won't be open just yet. But if you're eligible to have a test booked, so if you had a test booked that was cancelled because of lockdown, then you can now rebook through an email, and it will have a link in the email telling you how to rebook. And it says this link will only work for people who have been invited to rebook their test. So you can't share it with your friends, you can't send it out and say this is a link, book a test for yourself. It's only for people that had a test cancelled. When we email candidates whose tests were put on hold, we'll initially invite around 10,000 a day, split into batches to spread out demand on the service. So you may not get the email tomorrow, not everyone will get it tomorrow, but it will be sent out from them. All available appointments will be shown on the online service. Do not contact our customer service centre, as they won't be able to help you. They can't book you a test in over the phone. And it says making sure your pupils are ready, because this is aimed at driving instructors, this email. It's important that you speak to your pupils before they rebook a test to make sure they are ready to take it and you are available to take them. And it goes on to say, as examiners will only be at test centres when they have a test booked. They've increased the minimum notice period for booking a test from 60 minutes to 10 hours. So normally you could book a test just an hour before you would take it, but now they're moving it to 10 hours to give the examiners more notice, because the examiners won't be based at the centre all day if they don't have tests all day. They're just going to go there, do a test, and maybe you're supposed to go home and come back if they've got another one later. We've been through this in my other video, a couple of videos ago. Wearing a face covering. All candidates must wear a face covering when taking a driving test, unless they have a good reason not to. And this includes if you've got a physical or mental illness or impairment, or a disability that means they cannot put on, wear or remove a face covering, or if putting on, wearing or removing a face covering would cause severe distress. And it says when they arrange their test, they'll need to say if there's a good reason for not wearing a face covering. What your pupils can expect when taking their test, and there's a link to that, and we've been through that in another video. So I'll keep this fairly short, just to let you know then tests will start to be booked again from tomorrow, the 16th of July, but you don't just book them through the booking system. You will have to wait to be sent to the email, and that will contain a link you can click on and book your test. But it will only work for you. That'll be a unique link for you, so you can't share it out and have other people booking their tests through that link. So check out the other videos on the screen now. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you again soon for more videos.